so pissed about that Rangers game last night.
I know, it really is under your craw. I gotta say though, Islanders came ready to play, hopped in their step.
Well, as you know, I mean, you know, Rangers. I mean, you know, Sorkin, he was playing crazy, like out of his head. But you know, Rangers have got to score 5-on-5 goals. They can't just wait always for a power play.
Facts.
Facts.
It's like I keep saying Heedle is due, and man, he's got to do something. I feel like he's not fine.
Yeah, he's been good for a while.
I know, that's
like the entire season. And I don't know what it is about Strome that he gets called for like so many penalties.
I know, he is in the box a lot.
Like, when was the last time like Mika or you know, like if you, I would be interesting to look at like Mika, Kreider, Panarin's penalty minutes for the year.
Yeah. Well, it almost seems like he's at some point was asked to play with a little more nasty in him, like he's a little more physical and doing stuff, Strome, but it's translating into a lot of time in the box and not a lot of good penalties.
What do you mean by like a good penalty? Like hooking a guy on a breakaway?
Yeah, I mean, like what was the one yesterday?
He has a lot of
was
offensive zone.
It was that little
I mean,
slash. That was a bullshit
That
penalty.
was a bogus penalty. But he's had a lot of offensive zone penalties.
Yeah, but it's like, okay, last night was like, okay, but you shouldn't be slashing right. There was no purpose of that. It served nothing. Oh, was he the one who got the late kind of upper hit? Like he kind of brought his arms up a little bit. Was that Strome?
No idea. All I know is lingering.
It was in the corner, and somebody went high, a little, just finishing a check and went high and he got called.
I don't know.
Oh, wow, a little brown over there.
I guess. Sure, everybody's here with a shovel. Weirdly windy right here.
What's that?
Weirdly windy right here.
It's in the valley. Sunnyside Timber Lodge. Sounds very open. Looks like it would be fun.
What?
It looks like it would be a nice place if it was open.
It's closed.
Sad. Oh my.
Sunnyside chair lift. Not chair lift, chair lift.
Yeah, no.
Look at those moguls, they're so wide.
What?
They're so wide. It's a decently long lift, 19 towers. Huh?
Decently fast.
Yeah. Facts. Get ready for the bar.
Oh no, I was so close. Yikes. Ah.
terminal.